It's all about preparing for the future of manufacturing. As the industries evolve with automation, robotics, and advanced technologies, staying competitive means embracing these changes. That's why the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering at Mizzou is excited to offer an Industry 4.0 certificate. This certificate is a program that's designed to train the next generation of manufacturing professionals. This hybrid format program is a collaboration between the University of Missouri College of Engineering and the MU Career Accelerator. It's designed to advance understanding and skills in smart manufacturing, addressing the critical need for a trained and skilled workforce.
Through hands-on exposure to cutting-edge technologies like the Internet of Things, machine learning, AI, and data analytics, participants will understand the ongoing transformation of the manufacturing sector. Hands-on labs reinforce theory, transitioning from component-level control to system-level integration.
Participants master fundamental sensing, computing, and communication software for industrial digitalization and digital twin-based manufacturing.
The Industry 4.0 program consists of 4 courses: Introduction to Manufacturing Processes, Industrial Automation and Control, Industrial Robotics, and Smart Manufacturing. The program is delivered in a hybrid format over 6 weeks, combining online lectures and extensive hands-on laboratory experiences. Preparing for the new roles that come with today's technology in advanced manufacturing is a big part of Mizzou's vision to create a better world through engineering.